Now, the full scope of charges for former President Donald Trump now revealed in this newly unsealed indictment against him. So what's in it? Big 7's Kieran Dillon is taking us inside the indictment and the charges.
Well, it was a moment for the history books. Yesterday, former President Donald Trump was arraigned here in Lower Manhattan, and the indictment is complex. Prosecutors allege it is a part of a larger scheme, a larger plan by the former president to conceal stories that could have negatively impacted his reputation before, during, and after the 2016 presidential election. Donald Trump has been charged with 34 counts of falsifying business records in the first degree, all felonies. Prosecutors allege Mr. Trump falsified business records in an attempt to conceal criminal activity, including attempts to violate state and federal election laws.
At its core, this case today is one with allegations like so many of our white-collar cases. Allegations that someone lied again and again to protect their interests and evade the laws to which we are all held accountable.
The indictment lists a payoff to adult film star Stormy Daniels, who alleged to have a sexual encounter with the former president. In a separate statement of facts, prosecutors also mention a $150,000 payment to Karen McDougal, a former Playboy model who alleged she had a relationship with the former president. The statement of facts also mentions a $30,000 payment to a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed to have a story about Mr. Trump allegedly fathering a child out of wedlock. The woman in that case has denied she had an affair with the former president.
He's actually against a person who has a lot of legal power, the Manhattan district attorney, a lot of resources behind him, who has made some very serious allegations and maybe isn't just a Soros puppet. Maybe actually he's a pretty good prosecutor. So I have to think that might be playing in the back of Trump's mind as well.
He's frustrated because the power is out of his hands, and this is a person whose lifeblood is power.
Donald Trump has pled not guilty to all of the charges. He has denied the sexual encounters with Stormy Daniels and Karen McDougal. He's called the indictment political persecution. Here's more from his lawyer.
If this man's name was not Donald J. Trump, there is no scenario we'd all be here today. Please understand that based on these charges.
So Donald Trump was fingerprinted, but he was not handcuffed and he did not have his mugshot taken. During the arraignment, he was mostly quiet, although he did loudly declare himself not guilty of all of the charges, after which he appeared frustrated and visibly angry. He is due back in court on December 4th.